Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F266A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. You have a camera up front that's going to help you with your front parking camera, as well as that overhead parking view. You have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels, and they are wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You do have a panoramic sunroof up top. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you do have the bedrug bed liner as well as the access soft cover on top, keeping the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.